Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful floral polymer clay earrings for beginners. Before we begin, I recommend choosing a good quality polymer clay. A good clay is easy to work with and gives better results after baking. If you are new to polymer clay, don't worry if your first earrings aren't perfect. Like any craft, it takes a little practice. Okay, first condition your polymer clay very well. This is an important step because if the clay is not properly conditioned, it can become brittle and may break after baking. You can condition the clay using an acrylic roller or a pasta machine until it becomes soft and smooth. Okay, next roll the clay to an even thickness. This will help your earrings look neat and bake evenly. For this project, I am making a dimple floral earrings. I am using two different sizes of round cutters. The large circles will form the outer petals and the smaller circles will be used for the inner layer of the flower. Now cut out several circles from the clay. Next, gently shape each circle to create the petals. Yeah, I'm using this tool to shape each circle. I'm slightly thinning and curving the edges to give them a softer and more natural appearance. Okay, now I am using a needle tool and I am adding vein texture to the petals, or you can use this tool. Okay, these little details help make the flower look more realistic. Adding the vein texture. Okay. I will continue the same process with the remaining petals until all the pieces are ready. Once all the petals are finished, it's time to assemble the flower. I am attaching the petals one by one using liquid polymer clay as an adhesive. Take your time with this step and adjust the placement of the petals until you're happy with the shape of the flower. Don't worry if every petals looks slightly different. Natural flowers are never exactly the same, and those small variations make your piece unique. Now I am assembling the small petals. Now I am adding a small clay ball in the center of the flower. It's a little big. Okay. Adding a small clay ball in the center of the flower and giving it some texture for extra detail. I am using a needle tool to make a small hole in the petal. This will make easier to assemble the flower later. Next, I am brushing a little gold mica powder on the edges of the petals and in the center of the flower. This will add a beautiful golden highlight and make the details stand out after baking. The flower is now ready to bake. Bake it according to the manufacturer's instructions. For sculpey clay, bake at 275 degree Fahrenheit or 130 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Bake at 130 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Once the flower has completely cooled, attach the earring hooks and any other findings. Okay, that's it. Your beautiful handmade polymer clay earrings are ready. And that's it. Your beautiful handmade polymer clay earrings are ready to wear or gift. Remember, every artist starts as a beginner. Don't be discouraged if your first few pieces aren't perfect. Keep practicing, keep creating, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Oh, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more polymer clay creations. See you in the next video. Bye bye.